Hey guys, I just got my hands on the MACHINIST X99 Motherboard kit. This baby comes with an Intel Xeon E5-2650 V4, a beast of a CPU with 12 cores and 24 threads. Plus, you get 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, perfect for multitasking and demanding applications. And let's not forget, it supports NVMe M.2 for super fast data access. Don't wait, grab yours now and boost your rig's performance like a pro. The MACHINIST X99 kit is a beast, perfect for serious multitasking. Packed with a 12-core Intel Xeon CPU and 16 GB DDR4 RAM. Get this powerhouse now before it's gone. You don't want to miss this. Yo, I got this MACHINIST X99 kit for my gamer buddy, and now he's living in a whole new dimension. This beast has an Intel Xeon E5-2650 V4 CPU with 12 cores and 24 threads. And it's got 16 GB DDR4 RAM too. Turn your rig into a powerhouse and laugh at loading screens. Grab it before it's gone, or you'll cry more than losing in a game.